Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is "Here's Why You Don't Try to Purge the Police." Let's get into it, man. Yo, them Purge movies was fire back in the day, man. Let's do it.
Do you want me to purge you? Do I look like I'm f***ing playing?
It was supposed to be a simple eviction call. What happened next was anything but.
I'll tell them that. They'll come back there, handcuff your ass, and it's over with. What's up, Fort?
What's going on?
Who's standing out there?
What's going on, Hayes?
I don't want to put someone in federal prison, which is what I'm about to do.
We talk outside, okay?
Look, man, I'm not in no rush to get up, partner.
No, man, we're not doing this tonight.
Doing
Okay? We don't.
what?
And you and me have always been cordial with each other, right?
Okay, for the most part, but what do you mean? Doing what, playboy?
Relax,
We ain't doing that, okay?
Just relax.
What are we doing?
We ain't doing nothing.
Relax.
Okay, well, you can step outside now, sir.
No, it's not going on.
Oh, yeah, that's not going to happen.
Relax, relax.
Fam, do you want me to purge you?
Relax, relax. Relax, we're gonna talk outside, man.
We're gonna talk outside about everyone's going
No,
on.
you're going to go outside or I'm going to purge you.
Okay, hold on, we're gonna talk outside.
Do I look like I'm f***ing playing?
Come on, hey, on the ground, stop resisting. Stop resisting. Stop resisting. All right, no, come on. Get on your stomach. Get on your stomach.
Give me this hand. Give me this hand.
Look, I'm not resisting.
Get your arm behind your back. Arm behind your back. Arm behind your back. Boss man.
Now,
One more.
Dude, relax.
no, you got it.
For this, babe. Look what he's doing to me. Early, you got your knee in my back and you're injuring me right now. Even more than I already am.
10-4.
Yep. Suing the Joliet. Hey, Early, you gotta move this knee. For real, you're hurting me right now. You're injuring that.
Hold on, relax, man.
I got you, I am, but you're hurting my f***ing shoulder, you asshole. I'm already injured, and I'm gonna get more mad. Stop. Hurry up. You can really let me up. I'm not gonna do nothing.
You're good. I got him.
I want to make sure.
Oh, you want to make sure what's wrong? That's right. Look, you're all out of breath.
So you know you're in custody for right now for I have to peel.
You threw your hand up at me. Straight up. It's on camera. You threw your hand up at me and tried to push me.
It's on camera.
Nah, I'm tired of you putting your f***ing hands on me.
Relax, man.
Dude, stop pushing on my shoulder.
Relax.
Stop it!
Hey,
Dude,
don't
if you push on my f***ing shoulder again.
Hey, Midwest Safety, I like that little replay. You know what I'm saying? They did run it back. The officer did put his hands on him, but he was coming at him in a threatening manner. And I'm sure that's what's going to be written up in that paperwork.
I swear to God, I will call every sidekick entity to murder your ass. Get off of me now! You push on my arm one more time, and I swear, Early, I will f***ing call every gangster I know to shoot you in your mouth. Get off my shoulder now! Dumb assholes, look at my foot. It's already broken, you idiots. That's it. $50 million.
And this is only the start for his crazy demands.
Let's go.
Your hands up on me first. And you act like it's cool.
Hey, is there more coming? This is the boss. Oh, so we're good here now.
Oh no, we're not good. Straight up, I'm suing you guys for $500 million.
Now put my
Hey, they asked for backup, and that was the backup? Wait, hold on. Hold on. That's the backup? Nah, I'm playing, but yo, damn, that's crazy.
No, we're not good. Straight up, I'm suing you guys for $500 million.
Now put my
Cheer squad,
you
Lopez.
stupid motherfucker.
Squad out
My
front.
foot's already broken, you piece of shit motherfucker.
Okay.
I'm suing you for $5 billion.
Okay.
Look, it's bleeding right now. I can feel
You
it.
guys need next.
You stupid motherfucker. I need a medic. If I
We're
tell
ready
you
to
to
pick
get
him
up,
up.
you're
Get him off
supposed
the
to.
chest.
We're going
You understand?
What the
No, you walk down with your squad. So you can get a chance.
I'm gonna f***ing murder you, Ellie! We're not getting out of these cuffs! You're gonna f***ing die!
Stand up, man. Stand on your side.
Dude, my foot! Ah!
All right, there you go.
Dude, what the f***, man?
You got him?
Dude! That's it, Evans. Look at my... Ah!
What's wrong?
Dude, you f***ing...
Relax.
My f***ing foot's broke, goddammit! Ah!
So you can sit down then.
Get off of me!
Take him out. Come on, let's go. Let's get him out.
Ah!
Lopez, pull it up here. Have a seat. Which foot is broken?
My left one, you had toes broke, you dumbass!
Yeah, I just got it, man, all right? I don't know what's going on. Other than that you're bucking
You
and
put
screaming.
your f***ing hands on me again! Lopez did it! You do it! You guys always put your f***ing hands on me
Hey,
first! Shut the f*** up, kill you!
Relax, man. Just be calm, okay?
I'm going to
bring it
purge.
up here.
Hey, I'll tell you
Please.
right now,
So we can
every
get 'em
single
right in.
gangbanger that's in this area is watching this shit, and they're about to purge. Every single one right here. You think I'm f***ing lying? Get them, boys! Kill them all! Fuck that! Look at my f***ing asshole! Ah!
Ambulance gets here. We got an ambulance coming.
God damn it! I can't walk!
Use your one foot. And you walk with a boot, you say. Come on.
Nigga, where's the f***ing boot then, you f***ing idiot?
We're gonna have you sit down in the squad so you're not freezing cold. We got
Big freezing cold, where's the goddamn ambulance?
It's coming. But
I
let's get
swear
you
to
out
God,
of the cold.
you're looking.
Wait, hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Dude.
You're the one that f***ed me up first.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car.
He lives here?
Technically. He's been
Look at
here
how many
long enough
police
for
they
all
have here
rights
for
and
just
stuff.
me.
But the landlord
I'm
doesn't know
one
he's staying here,
person.
but she wants him kicked out by the head of the landlord.
Call the goddamn FBI now! I'm pressing charges. I am against all of you. $50 billion. Look at how many of you there are, and it's just one man. Oh, you don't want to listen? You want to talk over it? There's a camera right there. $50 billion.
Hey, this is a paramedic. I got your military boots. He's got some questions for you.
Nothing, dude. Just put the military boots on. So what happened there today? Okay, first off, in order to calm my chi and my energy and for me to not throat kick the shit out of both of you, I really do need a cigarette.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, dude.
Okay.
Who goes there?
All right, well, we're good. Hang on.
My name is Joker, and I will kick the shit out of him. And it will take 30 guys to hold me down. You have no idea. I can move through all of them. Early, your ass is done, dude. And so's the other Lopez, the one that ran up here and put his mother hands on me. You see this racism shit they pull on us, bro?
Racism, really? Really? This is the route we're going? Come on, man. You're a nut job. You know what I'm saying? Mental illness. You know what I'm saying? They ain't racist, bro.
What they're doing to me, and I'm homeless. What the f did I do? A white lady attacked me inside my house, and now I'm in trouble.
I'm sorry that happened.
No, you not.
Yes, I am, bro.
Because look at what he's doing. He's doing the same thing. I'm not even lying to you. I'm involved in a class action lawsuit at ShyGotEm right there on McDonough because all these white people are trumping, and he's doing it too because they're scared. Because the white people's reign of terror and what they've been doing to all of us is coming to an end. And I'm fighting against them by myself. I'll be damned if my grandma fucking freedom marched in the 50s for me to go into ShyGotEm and experience the same goddamn thing. And that experience here, it's just white people being f***ed up. And I am white. I'm 75% black, 22% white. My grandma's 100% Irish. I have a white stepfather. And look at this bitch ass trumping on me. I have literally been taking care of everyone around me all by myself, fam. And he can't even train right. Why is he out of breath? If anything, if two are attacking me, I should be out of breath. How am I the one that's talking the most right now? But that bitch that's out of breath and spitting on the ground. He spit on the ground like that because what he was saying is, I'll spit on you.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery, resisting a peace officer, and aggravated assault. He is innocent unless...
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.